Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Lena and I am currently building my dream homestead in the beautiful natural state of Arkansas. I moved here from Florida, never been here before, and we are building a new life for us out here on a family compound with my dad, with my 3 beautiful babies. I'm so excited for this journey and to bring you along. Thank you for watching. Out at my property. It is supposed to rain. I've already been out here for about an hour doing work. It's supposed to rain in the next hour. So I want to go ahead and get all of these fence posts. My face is looking large today. I want to go ahead and get all of these fence posts down. They're going to go around our fruit trees so that animals and deer and stuff don't get them. So we're going to attempt to get this done. And I wanted to work on the pins today because I'll be getting stuff in those pins soon. So I'm really excited about that. But we're going to go ahead and get all of these at least like wiggled out. I forgot to grab a knife and I don't want to go to my dad's right now because my dad doesn't even know I'm here. So I'm going to need a knife to do these zip ties. I could burn them. I think I have a lighter, but we're just going to cut them. So I already have literally all of them besides this one. There's water under there. You hear it? So I already have all of these stakes pulled out, wiggled out, whatever you want to call it. I just have to get scissors or something later to cut the zip ties off, and then I have to roll up all of the wire. Okay, so this is one of the pins. I got to get it cleaned out. I got to get all of these down with whoppers, my dad said. But I want to go ahead and get it cleaned out, raked out, and different parts of the fence, not right here in particular, but a lot of places look like this on the ground on the outside. So I need to get that fixed so my ducks and my animals don't run out. I am getting ducks. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get a baby duck. But we have a lot to do, so let's get started. So I'm already going to pre-warn you guys, there is no music sound in any of these clips. I am having so much trouble trying to get clips off of my phone onto my laptop. It is just not working out very well. So there is no music in these clips. I'm so sorry, but if you like silence, this video is for you. I am working on getting a new system down for getting photos and videos off of my phone on my laptop where I can get them into my editing software to add music from behind, but that is something that I am still working on, still learning, so it is going to be a very silent video, but I am talking in a few of the clips, so don't worry. But I hope you guys are having a fantastic week, and I hope you enjoy. This is his version of a roller coaster. Okay, we're gonna do one more sweep through over here, and then we're gonna move on to the next section. So, the reason that I'm choosing to do this now is because with spring coming, I really want to promote grass growth. You're okay, Bubba. There's a bunch of cinder blocks in here, I'll show you. And I'm needing to take all of those out because I don't want them in here. So I'm gonna have to get some dirt, probably use Uber, get some dirt, and pour dirt in here, or get a wheelbarrow and pour dirt in here because I can't have these cinder blocks. But for now, I'm very clumsy, so we're gonna keep them in here because I'll end up falling in the hole. Oh, it looks dark over there. I know, Bubba. We about to pack it up. Say it. Say mama. Okay. So, I'm going to give you a little overview. This is where one of the cinder blocks was. I took it out. Like I said, the goal is to promote. This is what it looked like. Okay, it looked a lot worse than this one. But you kind of get the gist of where we started. So, I have all these leaves raked up. I got to rake up more. I think I'm going to get a plastic rake so I can just go through a little bit more efficiently. I know he's got one over there. But I still got to do all of this. This is the pile of leaves. I'm going to bring a wheelbarrow in here so I can get it all out. But I don't know if you can see, the sky is starting to turn darker. So I know we don't have that much time left. So let's get done what we can get done. They need to, and they're not from digging. Like the drifting dreamers, I'm sure they did, but a lot of these holes are not from them digging. So there's the question of what is in the holes. Like y'all can't see it. There's a big hole right there, like an animal hole. Eclipse is coming back. Can you see her? Okay, guys. So I still have a lot of raking to do, but it's already looking 10 times better, especially in person. But we got a majority. Say hey, everyone. But it is literally, I don't know if you can tell, but it's literally about to start pouring. It's that time. So here's a little overview. So I got that done, and then we got a lot of this raking done. We pulled out a lot of trees out of here, some trash, but it's starting to look so good. I cannot wait to put some animals in here. Right, Eclipse? You gonna herd me some animals, girl? Okay. What is she doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What were you digging for? What's here? What is it? Come back. What'd you find? What did you find? What was you digging? We're back on the property today. I am getting out here a little bit later, but the goal was that the sun was not in the middle of the sky beaming. You want to say something? Say something. Say hey, everyone. Say hey, everyone. Yeah. So it's just me and Lawson out here. The last video that you seen, we went around, me and the girls, and we picked up sticks, picked up logs. I ended up getting all the fencing that needed to come down. And I know, Mom, hey. I know that there's still a lot that needs to be done, and I kind of just need to go around, video everything in the yard, and then kind of make a checklist of things I need to do. But I do want to finish doing the cages, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and finish the cages, and then tomorrow when I come out here, I'm thinking of going ahead and getting that line on the fence done, because I think that would be a good next step, and then mostly getting more rocks and limbs and sticks and everything else that needs to be picked up. I know it's a long process into getting this property done so I can start building, but every step counts, and we will get to building probably this summer is when we're going to officially start building. But first we need to get the land prep. So the reason why I do not want Lawson in here is I fell down the rabbit hole about copperheads, and I raked this pile up about 2 weeks ago, and I read that they live in piles like this. So if there is a copperhead, I don't want it to run towards Lawson, so he's at a safe distance. And I was just going to pick all this up with my hands until I fell down that rabbit hole, so now we got a shovel. So eventually this is all going to be burned, but what I'm going to do is just make a pile over here with the rest of the dead trees and things and burn it or something. I don't know yet. Oh my gosh, a cricket's already forming out. I'm gonna go through again, rake up, pick all the rocks out that I don't want in here. So my goal is to not rehab, but get one cage 100% cleared out and good before I move on to the next one to do. I don't want to just rake one, and then go back and forth. I want to finish one and then move on to the next. I have not really decided what I want to do for in them. I do know that one of these I do want for a chicken. For the next one yet, but I do know that one of these is going to be my chicken coop. Eventually, I am going to build another chicken coop. I kind of have an idea of what kind of chicken coop I want, so eventually. But for now, I want this to be a chicken coop. I want to get some animals out here, and when I say animals, I mean chickens. Just chickens and ducks for right now, because chickens can give me eggs and meat. So I do want to have some kind of sort of chickens, ducks out here while I'm building, so that I have something that's already producing on my homestead. So we got a garden, and my dad already has chickens and ducks and all that, but I want kind of my own, you know? A-I-J-K-K-L-M-N-O-P U-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y-and-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yeah! Icky bubble gum, icky, icky, sticky bubble gum. Can you count all the way to 10 with me? 1, 2, 3. And I'm so excited to show you. I worked really hard on it. I don't have like really a before photo, but I have before videos, but let me go ahead and show you. It is already looking so much better. Can't wait to put chickens in it. It is massive. So I think this is going to be the one I put my chickens in. Show them what you could do. You can, Baba! You can already see a huge difference. It's looking like after.